Punky, I think that's enough.
Okay, that's enough.
Now the birds can have breakfast.
You have to be very, very quiet.
Right. I'll be very quiet.
We've no milk. Are you going shopping or what?
Cranky! Shh! You frightened the little bird.
Never mind.
And don't forget the chocolate biscuits this time.
I won't, ma'am. Goodbye.
Ah! Ah! Get out! Ah! Get off me! Ah! Leave me alone!
It's a bird!
Come! Get a broom! Ah! Ah!
Cranky, you're scaring it.
I am not! It's scaring me! Ah!
Rufus, quiet.
He was attacking me, Punky. He was. You saw him.
Cranky, you need to be quiet.
Do I?
Birds don't like shouting.
Do they not?
No, and they don't like barking.
Okay. Here's a broom.
Con, what are you doing? You can't sweep up a bird.
Don't worry, Punky. He's just going to scare it, to make it go outside again.
No, you can't.
You're right. I can't. You do it.
You can't expect your own Nan to do a thing like that. Be brave, Con. Be brave.
No, birds are nice to us. So we have to be nice to birds.
Maybe we should wait until Mum gets home and let her deal with it.
Okay, fine. So, I guess I'll just have to wait for your mother.
That's a good idea. Mum likes birds.
Don't look at me.
Hello, little bird. Are you there? Don't be scared. I like birds. I'm not going to sweep you up. Are you tired? Are you hungry? Your food is outside. Over there. This is the bird food, not the people food. People food is for people. Bird food is for birds. That's a good idea. I brought you bird food, Mrs. Bird. It's very yummy. You can eat them. You're a bird. Then you can see the way outside. Be quiet. That's right. Over there.
Hello?
Mom!
You're
Mom,
here now?
There was a bird
Where
in the
were you
kitchen
when
and
we
it
needed
was
you?
flying about all
Where
over
were you
the
when the
place.
bird was
Cranky
attacking
was
your
screaming
mother?
and I got
Your
a
own
broom and I was
kitchen.
going to get rid of it, but...
Where is the bird now?
Punky!
Mom, I helped the bird go outside.
Is everything okay in there?
Yes, it's fine. I caught a bird.
I'm not a bird. I'm Punky.
Yeah, but I'm still keeping hold of my broom, just in case.